Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly confirming your PC's IP and gateway so you know you're on the right network. Open Command Prompt or Terminal and run ipconfig or ifconfig. Once done, switch DNS to a reliable public server like 8 to test name resolution, and then restart both your modem or router and the PC to clear transient issues. Make sure to note any custom settings so you can restore them if needed. This prepares you for targeted fixes. Next, you'll perform deeper repairs. Flush the DNS cache to remove stale records, then reset the TCP/IP stack and WinSock to fix corrupted network components. After those commands, verify your router's DNS settings and update its firmware if it's outdated, since a router-level misconfiguration can affect every device. If PC changes didn't help, set alternate DNS servers on the router so all clients use them. Make sure to reboot network gear, and to finish, verify name resolution by pinging a domain and testing connectivity to a public DNS such as 1.1.1.1. Successful pings show routing is fine. If problems persist, temporarily disable VPN, firewall, or antivirus software to check for blocking behavior, and then re-enable them after testing. If you still see no DNS responses, collect router logs and ipconfig/ifconfig output and contact your ISP, TIP. Ask them to run a DNS trace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.